What's up, everybody? Welcome all to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome back, and good morning. And well, I wanted to look for Cilinix Crypto, but welcome to this video in which we're analyzing not Cilinix Crypto, but the Kyber Network Crystal V2 or the KNC token. After it was quite bullish again, up 25%. Volume up with 50%, more than 500 million right now, which is amazing. I think when we analyzed this a couple of days ago with these moves, we also reached that volume, yeah. And the volume does seem to be increasing still, so still some potentials. Main reason why I'm doing this analysis as well is because this was actually what I saw coming, and I have to be honest that it's most of the times it's not as precise as this, but I expected some consolidation and then a break retest off of that level right here, and afterwards to go up to 2.9. So with that, I am going to stick with my analysis. I think this is going to be a local top, so we can go a little bit higher up until like $3. I think that's possible, although the price does show some signs of resistance already, some strong resistance. Definitely off of this level. It's also has a 382 fib and a 200 EMA. It's just very strong. So the chances that we will hit $3, in my opinion, I think are pretty slim. Hitting a little bit higher, 2.95 has a bigger probability. And from there, I do expect us to drop down all the way to 2.4 again and 2.3. And from that area, I think that area, at least in relatively stable market circumstances, can actually hold. And we might be able to like then drop down to 2.2, find that trend line and get up to that level again. That looks like the most likely scenario now, but it's always, we always have to check out what the market does and stuff. So I will probably update it when we drop down here. So I do want to talk about the possibility of us breaking this area, but I think it's just not that realistic. I mean, the market today is quite green. As you can see, Bitcoin is over 30,000 again, and almost all cryptos are green. You have a few ones down here, like the CRV, which usually is stronger than other cryptos, so it doesn't mean that much that it's down. UST, Convex, Unisat, Leo, and a stable coin. I mean, almost all are green. So that does make us think if we can break this area, and especially if we can break above $3, because frankly, if we break above $3, then I think we can easily reach this level here at 3.5 and 3.4 as a next resistance. I just think the chances of that happening are not that big, so I'd really say as of right now this is the most likely scenario. And that also brings us to like this trade position, which I will probably make another video on as well, but I think you can like get a decent trade off of this, something like this probably, just to secure it, something like this that still has a 2.0 risk reward ratio. Could be something, but I'll have to explore it a little bit further. KNC does look like a token you can trade well, because if we actually check that out, and another reason why you should follow me on Twitter, a couple of days ago I posted a signal on KNC as well. That was this one with an entry price of 2.03. So that was after this move, as you can see, after that move with those two wicks. 2.03, which was right here, which was pretty spot on actually, like a risk reward, or the stop loss was at 1.97. We didn't touch that stop loss, as you can see, because that was down here. We almost touched it, but still. And the take profit we had at 2.33, which we hit easily. It was quite, it was a high risk trade because of the small stop loss, but we could have had like, I think this was the trade in the end. So we could have been up like 40%, which is a decent trade. So KNC does look very tradable. If you want more of these trade setups, just follow me on Twitter and look out for the videos I am making right now with these trade ideas. I think I'll post another one later today, but that's basically my analysis on KNC for now. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said within the video, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.